Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, today I've got some incredible concealer hacks that will take your beauty game to the next level. And yes, these tips are for everyone, men and women. Let's dive right in with some color correcting concealer hacks. First up, the green concealer. If you're dealing with redness, maybe from acne or rosacea, a green concealer is your best friend. Apply it directly to those red areas and watch the color magically neutralize. Say goodbye to redness and hello to flawless skin. Next, let's talk about dark circles. The struggle is real, right? Yellow concealer is here to save the day. It works wonders on those stubborn purple tones under your eyes. Just dab a little yellow concealer on, blend it out, and you'll look like you've had a full 8 hours of sleep. Now, for those of you with a bit of a yellowish tone or sallowness in your skin, purple concealer is the hack you need. Apply it to those areas, and it'll brighten up your complexion, giving you that fresh, radiant look. All right, now that we've got the color correcting down, let's talk about some popular brands that I absolutely love. You can't go wrong with NARS, Tarte, Urban Decay, MAC, Makeup Forever, and Bobbi Brown. These brands have some of the best concealers in the market, and they're definitely worth checking out. But it's not just about the concealer. The tools you use matter too. Concealer brushes, beauty blenders, makeup sponges, and concealer palettes can make a huge difference in your application. Experiment with different tools to see what gives you the best finish. Remember, the key to mastering these concealer hacks is to experiment and find what works best for your skin type and tone. Makeup is all about having fun and enhancing your natural beauty. So don't be afraid to try new things and get creative. That's it for today's video. If you love these tips, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.